Good morning, class. Welcome to Senior World Studies. Today we're going to talk about Japan and the culture and geography of Japan. So Japan is extremely interesting in comparison to the United States because although they are an economic power like we are, they are for different reasons. So if you look at the first slide here, Japan is known as an archipelago country, which means that it's a chain of islands. In the picture there's 1, 2, 3, 4 main islands of Japan and more than 3,000 smaller islands that make up the entirety of Japan. Also on the map you can see that almost all of Japan is mountainous, over 90%. And that's very important because that forces all of the population of Japan to live in 10%. Okay, so 90% of the Japanese population lives in roughly 1/8 of the land area, which is the same as if all of the people in the United States lived in California, Oregon, and Washington. Japan's culture is based on the idea of group identity. In the United States, we value individualism and being our own person. In Japan, it's very different. They relate to the group as a whole, groups within their education system, and groups in the workplace. The main reason that they have the group identity in Japan is its isolationism over the course of its history. Because of climate and its distance from other countries, there has been very little interaction between Japan and other countries. Because Japan is mostly mountainous, all of the people live in major cities, and so the lifestyle that people share there is very different than a lot of other people around the world. They're confined to small places. People that make a lot of money still live in smaller houses, and basically all of their living is in an urban setting.